the most important SAQs, the first and foremost, I suggest for you all to study first. First, what I'm making a mark there, take down those, first prepare that, then go for another taking there. Okay? First, yes. I'll give the important first. I'll read only first important one. Okay? First one here is analyze the characteristics of human wants. Characteristics of human wants. First, study this. When I keep a star mark, that is very, very important. Utility. The next one, define the determinants of demand. First, wherever I'm keeping a star mark, start studying those first. Then later on, the next answers. Okay? After preparing these, only you go for another one. What is monopoly and characteristics features of monopoly? Next, real wages. What is meant by real wages? What are factors that determine the real wages? Next, national income. What are the factors that determine the national income? Next, sources of public revenue. Redemption of public debt. Functions of money. Negative slope of the demand curve. And the next one, 26. What is statistics? Explain the relationship between the economics. Now, how many star marks are there? First count. First, study these 11 questions. Then you start the next. Now, here, first, the star marking. I'm just going to keep another tick mark there where they are going to come. First, you study these. If you study these, out of this 11, you can write, I guess, 8. आए तो ये पूरे 11 के 11 भी आ सकते, मगर कम से कम लगाएंगे, no risk. So here, I'll just go for another one there. Scarcity. This question, microeconomics and macroeconomics, go for VSAQs. Now, there is a difference between micro and macroeconomics. What you do here is, you study this answer. Now, here there are two types of ticking here. One I'm ticking here, that means after studying the star mark, you study this. Okay? This side means, this may come in very short or may not. Got it? Next one here is, the concepts of indifference curve discuss its properties. Properties and assumptions. ये दो में से एक देते. ये दो में से एक देते. So here, अगर properties पढ़े, आ गया question assumptions. तो आप introduction लिखो, properties लिख के आ सकते. अगर नहीं आए तो आपको कुछ भी, I mean say at least you are able to attempt. So you can write any one of it. You may not get full marks, you may get half mark. It can be out of 5, you may get 2 or 3, not more than that. Max 2. Okay? So here, because you are writing the concept here is, okay? So these two, out of these two, any one will be coming. So please see that you study both the answers. Okay? The next one here is, I'll just make a tick mark here. A tick mark here. The next one. What is Bata system? What are Bata system and what are the difficulties of Bata system there? What are the difficulties faced by the Bata system? So for this one, just a small tick here. Next one, kinds of deposits. Now under this kinds of deposits of the commercial bank, this will come in VSAQs. So I will be expecting you all to study as complete concepts here, that is of the kinds of deposits. So study the 4 deposits: saving deposit, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, and the other one is current deposit or term deposits. So please see that you study the 5 deposits. Okay. So here under this, you may get any one VSAQ. Saving deposit बोल के भी आ सकता है. What do you mean by current account बोल के भी आ सकता है. So here anyone can come here. Free goods, economic goods. Study this. There's a small table there. You can write that. Negative slope, it is 100%. Now here, I'm making a tick mark, not here. I'll make it here. Point out the importance of the price elasticity of demand. There are importance here. I think there are 8 or 9 points are there. At least study 5 points. 5 points to be put. Pure nakko pado, because this is of the short answers. The next one here is economics and statistics. So here, economics and statistics, the relationship between the economics here is a very small answer, 3 points only. See that you study that answer there. Okay. Various types of expenditure, the public expenditure. Study this. I'm making a tick mark there. And here, explain the law of demand here. So out of 28. Now first, out of 18 here, सी दैट यू स्टडी द स्टार मार्किंग फर्स्ट देयर. नाउ हियर जो 5 पढ़ते सिर्फ 6 ही पढ़ते बोल के है समझो, उन लोगों के लिए एटलीस्ट ये 5 आंसर्स तो भी पढ़ो. ओके, व्हाट आर दोस? अगेन आई एम मेकिंग दिस 1 2 3 4 5. I'm making this 5 at least. आए तो 5 के 5 भी आ सकते, नहीं 5 में से 3 लगाएंगे. आए तो 5 भी आते, कम से कम 3. ये these two and those two. One more, anything else? Yes, one more. Most real wages. Boys, ये पहले जो अंडरलाइन करे सो फर्स्ट ये आंसर्स पढ़ो, फिर उसके बाद स्टार मार्क, फिर उसके बाद ये टिक मार्क करे सो. टाइम है, पढ़ सकते तो राइट साइड का जो भी है वो पढ़ो, बस इतना.